What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to open up your Phantom Wallet, and this is how it will look. Here, you just simply have to click on the swap button. Now, clicking on the swap button will open up this cryptocurrency. Now, here currently in my case, I do not have any other cryptocurrency, and it is only showing me that Solana as a default. But don't worry, Phantom Wallet allowed you to do the crypto cross exchange cross networks, so you won't have to worry about anything. If you want to exchange your USDC with the Solana, you'll easily be able to do that. As you can see, if I have Solana right here, I will be able to change it to USDC without any problem. However, you can do the different crypto chains as well. You don't have to worry about anything because this Phantom wallet allows the bridging, so you won't have any problem. So you just have to do the opposite. Currently, in my case, I won't be able to change it because I do not have any assets. But in your case, you'll be able to select USDC and then you'll be able to select Solana wherever you want to change it. And then you just have to enter the amount you want to transfer and then simply tap on this swap and swap it. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.